friends, happy October. I have my Young Living order here and I'm going to share with you what I received this month. But I want to remind you real quick that our holiday catalog is launching on October 23rd, Saturday. So be on the lookout for that. There'll be lots of oil blends, products, maybe some new products, and lots of things that are only available for the holiday season. So great for gifts for yourself or for others, but don't miss out on that on October 23rd. And make sure you order things early this year. The post office has already told us that mail is going to be a lot slower, packages are going to be slower, and the price is going up for shipping as well as the slower service. So make sure you order things well ahead of time so that you're not in any crunch for holiday gift giving. So the first thing that I received this month was the Savvy Mineral Makeup Wipes, and I love these. They're nice and thick. You can use both sides. I actually cut them in half because I don't really need a whole one to get all my makeup off. So this is my first step in the evening if I have makeup on, is to use one of these makeup wipes. They're super gentle, again 100% plant-based, and then I use the Myrtle Cleansing Oil to just kind of make sure everything's off my skin, and then the CBD Beauty Boost. So that's my evening routine. The next thing that I bought this month is Myrtle Oil, and what I always think of with myrtle is thyroid support. So lots of great uses for all of these oils. They all have their strengths because they're so chemically complex. So I encourage you to look them up and see what else they may be good for that could benefit you. But I use it for thyroid support. And then the other one is Lady Sclerol, and this is a beautiful blend. It smells amazing. So if you're looking for an oil that you can use kind of for a perfume, this would be it. And it's full of phytoestrogen oils, so those support healthy estrogen levels. And plant-based estrogens are very safe and very good and will help support the body. You don't want xenoestrogens. Those are found in plastics and BPA, all kinds of toxic chemicals that we want to stay away from. So Lady Sclerol is great for hormone support and for just a beautiful perfume-like fragrance. The next thing is the charcoal bar soap, and it is black. Activated charcoal is great for just pulling impurities out of the skin, getting skin nice and clean. I love this one. I use it all the time, actually. It's my favorite soap from Young Living. Young Living does make multiple soaps. Again, you want everything that goes on your body to be free of chemicals and other gross stuff. There's some easy things to switch out, and soap is definitely one of them. I always like to have extra things on hand like this. That way, whenever in the middle of the month I run out, I have the next one on hand. So I don't stockpile a lot. I wish I could, but I do kind of keep things on hand. So I'm not out of soap yet, but when I am in the next month or two, then I will have it ready to go. The next thing is the Bloom, I have it upside down, Bloom Brightening Essence. And this is something that I can't remember if it came out 2 years ago, but I have not run out of this yet. So it's a 3-part system, and this is the brightening essence, which is just gorgeous. It has an ethically sourced metal in here, or not metal, but it's kind of metallic. What is it? It is a mica, I believe, ethically sourced mica, and it makes it just give this serum a really nice glow. So you want to kind of shake it a little bit. I still have about this much left, so I probably have a couple months left in the bottle that I have. But some of the other ingredients in this essence are Madonna leaf extract, which helps to brighten skin, prevent and decrease the appearance of dark spots, and provide a uniform skin tone. It has apple fruit extract, which helps to increase the skin's hydration by 88%, as well as contribute to smoother feeling skin. And it has a green algae extract, which provides hydration. Green algae has also been shown to decrease excess oil and to help balance and support the skin's natural microbiome. So this is the middle step. There is the Bloom Trio, like I mentioned in the morning. I use the cleanser, and then I use the brightening essence after I get out of the shower, and then the Bloom moisturizer. So it's a great trio, again, for helping to balance, brighten, and just make the skin look more even and glowy. So the next thing is the Lavender Volume Shampoo. Again, getting the gross stuff out. This is free of all the horrible harsh sulfates, parabens, synthetic colors, fragrances, phthalates, silicones, DEA, and animal-derived ingredients. It's got 8 different essential oils in it. Helps build volume for fine or thin hair, lightweight, silicone-free, etc. So if you're looking for a clean shampoo, that's a good one to try. Next is our Essential Enzyme 4, and enzymes are really key, especially the older we get, or when we're eating a lot of foods that are harder to digest, enzymes really help us get the nutrients out of our food. They help aid the digestion process. So even if you don't feel like you need digestive support, excuse me, you may benefit from an enzyme because you'll get more nutrients out of your food. You'll digest the fats, the proteins, the plants, etc. better. So this is a nice, well-rounded enzyme that works with sort of a complete meal. So different enzymes can also sort of target different things that you're eating, but this is a really good one. Young Living has 4 different ones. And then we have our Balance Complete here, which is a food-based meal, or sorry, it is food. It's a plant-based, superfood-based meal replacement. It's actually not completely plant-based. It does have whey protein in it, but it's also got things like aloe vera, cinnamon powder, wolfberry powder, brown rice bran, barley grass, coconut. It's high in fiber with 11 grams of fiber. It also has high in protein, and it also contains good fats, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals for a nutritionally complete and dynamic meal. So key with the fiber is you need fiber to help the body clear toxins out and to aid digestion. If your digestive system is not moving along at a good pace, you will be reabsorbing the things that your body is trying to get rid of. So this is great for adding to smoothies. Technically it's a standalone, so you can use it as a full meal replacement even without adding anything to it. It's a kind of a vanilla flavor, so it's not too imposing. And then the free promo items this month, so if you spend this amount of money, you get things free. So the first one is ImmuPro, and ImmuPro is great whole immune system support. So it contains wolfberry and mushroom powders that are great antioxidant support. It also has zinc and selenium that help aid the body in proper immune function, and then it has melatonin. So I would take this one in the evening just to make sure that it doesn't make you sleepy during the day. But if you're looking for a melatonin, it also has some chelated minerals in there as well. If you're looking for a melatonin, Sleep Essence that I showed you last month is one, and then ImmuPro is another one. This is chewable, so you can also cut them up if you want a smaller dose or give them to children. But it contains a lot of great immune system boosting things. Just take it in the evening. Also free this month, I think this was a little extra they threw in, is Vitality Drops. Again, to talk about electrolytes for a minute. So our body needs electrolytes in order for all of the kind of electrical systems in our body to function properly. So when you sweat a lot or you're sick, you tend to get depleted of electrolytes, which is why people drink electrolyte drinks. So this is a great way to flavor your water, great way to add electrolytes. So if you need help drinking more water, or you need to replace electrolytes from a natural source without all the added food colorings and garbage, this is a great one. So this one is lavender lemonade, and the other one is grapefruit bergamot. There's 2 different flavors. And then there were 4 free oils this month, and the 3 that are in the brown labels also come as Vitality. So the Vitality version are labeled for ingestion, so you could use them in cooking, or like in a spiced cider or something like that in your tea. So the first one is not edible, but it's patchouli. And patchouli is great for the skin. It's what I always think of, but it's also good for aiding digestion and combating nausea, and it's also good for relieving itching for the skin, kind of helping to prevent wrinkles and chapped skin, that kind of stuff. So it's a great one to add to maybe your face moisturizer there for the skin, but the fragrance, I guess, is also helpful, or topically on your tummy for digestion. So, and then the other 3 are nutmeg, clove, and cinnamon bark. These are just powerhouse oils. I encourage you to look them all up. I always think of nutmeg, though, as going with the adrenal glands. So it's good for stimulation, for energy, for fatigue, that sort of thing. Clove historically was used in dentistry because it's very numbing. So if you're going to put clove in your mouth, it's going to numb whatever it touches. But clove is just a really strong antioxidant, so it's great for helping our bodies fight that oxidative stress. And then cinnamon bark is another one that's great for the immune system as well. So these are great scents for the fall, so they're good to put in your diffuser. You're breathing them in. They're kind of cleaning and scenting the air in your house. So diffusing is a great way to use your oils. You could use them topically. A lot of these are a little bit spicy, so I would apply them topically neat, which is straight out of the bottle, I would dilute them with a carrier oil. So that's going to be a fatty oil like jojoba oil, like rosehip seed oil, like grapeseed oil, or even an olive oil or coconut oil. So just a high quality organic oil, and you can dilute them into an empty bottle, or if you need to just apply it a lot, you can put it to a little dish. Young Living does sell roller balls that fit on top of these bottles, which make an easy way to make a roller ball, and then you can just apply it quickly if it's an oil you're going to be using topically. If you do dilute them, don't put them in your diffuser because you don't want to put your fatty oils in your diffuser. And again, I would encourage you, any of the oils that you get or that you have on your shelf that you're not sure what to do with, pull out your reference book, just do a quick 30-second read through, and you'll be amazed at all the things that the oils could be used for. So lots of ways that they can support all of our different body systems, especially this time of year when we want to make sure we're staying healthy and well for the holidays, and we love those scents that make us think of the holidays that are nice, kind of warm, spicy scents. So hopefully you found that interesting. I will be back in November and hopefully have a few things that come out for the holiday catalog to share with you as well. So have a great rest of the month.